How to create desktop shortcut on Windows. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can create desktop shortcut on Windows. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. Now once you're on your device, if you open up or if you click on start and if you try to drag one of the pinned applications from here, for example, if you click on Word and drag it in your desktop, that may not create shortcut as you can see. So in that case, what you have to do is again click on start, and from this interface, if you click on all, then if you once you're here, then if you head over to Word and if you click on it, if you drag and add in your desktop, that might create a shortcut. So click on all, head over to the application that you want to add, then you have to right or left click, and then if you drag it in your desktop, that will now create a shortcut. And if it does not work for you, then what you can do is again head over to start icon, and from your pinned application, right click on the application. Once you're here, head over to open file location. That's gonna take you to this file location of the Word in your file explorer. So from here also, so right click on it and head over to show more options. Once you're here, click on send to. Now here click on desktop create shortcut, and that's gonna create another shortcut of the application on your desktop. So these are the way to create the desktop shortcut on Windows, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.